Hi guys, Mr. Lee's here doing the National 5 Mathematics paper from 2021. Paper 1, and we're on question 17. We have to sketch the graph of y equals 2 times x take 1 squared plus 4. And we have to show clearly where the coordinates of the turning point and the point of intersection, or where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, so just to make it clear, the turning point, as you can see from my sketch, is where it stops going down and starts going up like that. Now, we know, for instance, straight from the get-go that it looks like this rather than upside down, because if I were to multiply all this out, we would end up with x squared take 2x plus 1 if I multiply that out, but we'd be multiplying that by 2, so we'd end up with 2x squared. So the x squared term would be positive. That means that the parabola looks like that. Okay. Anyway, let's get on with it. So it crosses the y-axis when x equals 0. So going back to my sketch, of course, there's x, there's 0. Any point on the y-axis has an x coordinate of 0. So let's substitute 0 through the formula. 0 take 1 is minus 1 squared, you get 1. Times it by 2, you get 2. And add your 4, you get 6. So it crosses the y-axis at 0, 6. So that's the first dot I put on my graph here, 0, 6 there. And we have the graph has been presented in completed square form. That means when it's presented in this form here, then the turning point has an x coordinate that is opposite to that. You look in the bracket, look at this number here. So minus 1, the opposite sign I should say, is 1. And the y coordinate is the same as what you see here, and that is 4. So the turning point is 1, 4. So you can see my xy axis there. There's the point 1, 4, and there is the point 0, 6. As I said earlier on, I know this is a parabola, so it comes down, turns, and then goes back up in a similar way to it coming down, back up there. And there is my sketch showing all the features they wanted.